guys, Snishy Fish here, and not only do I got a nice colorful red balloon, but I got a helium tank. Also, this is a nice little tutorial video. I'm going to show you guys how to inflate a balloon. It's not that hard, I mean. First you'll need to stretch it out a little, make sure it is good, and I'll just inflate it. Now try it. Okay, now those are 3 easy steps. Now to play with the balloon.
I love playing with balloons. Oh, and take a look at my little balloon cluster back there. Isn't it cool?
God darn it! Oh.